Hello everyone, I am Sunanta from SNS College of Technology, Department of Mathematics. As the continuation of the lecture series in the topic statistical data representation, in this video we are going to see what is bar graphs. So to see bar graphs, let us discuss what we have seen in the pie charts. So pie charts are nothing but the one of the graphical representation in which we'll be seeing which can be represented in a circular format, like which are used to represent parts of a whole. Unlike pie charts, bar graph allow us to compare multiple data sets clearly and accurately. We'll learn bar graph which are especially useful when comparing values across different categories. Here are the learning applications or learning objectives. Understanding the fundamentals of bar graphs, differentiating between simple, multiple, compound and percentile bar graphs. Next, select the appropriate graph for a given dataset. Interpret graphical information effectively. So, applying bar graphs to real world statistical problems are the learning objectives of this video. So let us see what is bar graph. A bar graph is a statistical diagram that uses regular or rectangular bars to represent categorical data. So height or length of each bar is proportional to the value of its represent. So the bars may be vertical or horizontal. Every bar represents one category. Equal width and equal spacing must be maintained. Taller bars represent larger values. So because of these features, bar graphs make comparison very easy. So they are among the most frequently used graphs in data analysis and business reportings. So simple bar graph. So this type of simple bar graphs is used when only one variable is compared across different categories. For example, suppose we want to compare the number of students enrolled in different departments. Each department will have one bar representing its student strength. So simple bar graphs are easy to construct and interpret, making them ideal for introductory statistical data. So next is the guidelines. Organize the data, choose suitable scale, draw bar graph of equal width, maintain equal spacing, label both axes x and y axis. Next, mention units wherever necessary. So here is a multiple bar graph which compares two or more variables for each category. For example, comparing mathematics, statistics and programming marks across 4 semesters. This would be the greatest option. Next, we can see compound bar graph also. A compound bar graph, also called a stacked bar graph, shows the total value which also display how the total is divided into subcategories. And budget allocation, population composition, department wise expenditure can be calculated using this. Bars are divided into colored segments. Each segment stacks one on top of the previous one. So total bar height will be equal to sum of all the segments and excellent for showing parts to whole relationship. Next is a percentile bar graph, in which a percentile bar graph converts every bar into 100%. This allows comparison of proportion even when the total value differs. So these graphs are commonly used in business dashboards and survey analysis. So this is the comparative analysis for choosing the right bar graph. So when it is between only one variable, we can go for simple. When there are two or more variables, we can go for multiple. Next, this is for compound total together, and percentile is for grouping composition proportions in different sizes. So this is one of the case study in which a graduate program director wants to analyze students' performance across the three specializations like machine learning, data engineering and business analytics. So you want to compare the average marks, semester wise performance and assessment components. So using different types of bar graphs, you can identify the highest performing specialization, performance trends over semester. Next, the contribution of different assessment components. So this is the assessment and bar graphs. In this we have seen the types of bar graphs and how it can be calculated and where it is used in real life. Thank you.